looking for your next Red Sea getaway. Let me take you through everything you need to know about Sierra Sharm El Sheikh, a sprawling 5-star resort that sits right on the gorgeous shores of Naama Bay. This place has been welcoming guests since 2006, and after a major refresh in 2023, it is looking better than ever. Whether you are planning a family vacation, a romantic escape, or just need some serious beach time, this all-inclusive resort might just tick all your boxes. With around 400 rooms spread across whitewashed buildings surrounded by palm trees and stunning Red Sea views, Sierra Sharm combines Egyptian hospitality with modern comforts. The resort is part of the Sierra Hotels Group, which is affiliated with Travco and has built quite a reputation over the years. Guests consistently rate it around 8.5 out of 10 across major booking platforms, praising its value for money and fantastic beach access. Sure, there are occasional mentions of service hiccups during peak season, but the overall vibe is positive. This is not an ultra-luxury property trying to compete with the Four Seasons crowd, but rather a solid, reliable choice for travelers who want quality without breaking the bank. The all-inclusive concept here is genuinely comprehensive, covering everything from sunrise to late-night snacks, and the location in Naama Bay means you are close to the action but still enjoy that resort bubble feeling. So let's dive deep into what makes Sierra Sharm El Sheikh worth considering for your Egyptian adventure. The accommodation situation at Sierra Sharm El Sheikh offers something for pretty much everyone, with 5 main room categories that range from budget-friendly standards to spacious family suites. Every single room comes air-conditioned, which you will definitely appreciate in the Egyptian heat, and includes free Wi-Fi, satellite television, tea and coffee-making facilities, a safe for your valuables, and a hairdryer. The all-inclusive package means your minibar gets restocked daily, which is a nice touch that some resorts skip. Starting with the standard rooms, these are your entry-level option at around 35 square meters. You get either a king or twin beds, a balcony with garden or pool views, and the basics done well. Some of these rooms have connecting doors, making them convenient for families who want to stay close but maintain separate spaces. The rooms feature bright decor with blue accents that echo the sea beyond, though if you check user photos online, you might notice some units show a bit more wear than the official pictures suggest. Moving up, the superior rooms give you 40 square meters of space with a king bed plus a sofa, which is great if you have a couple of kids in tow. These rooms underwent bathroom renovations in 2023, so you get modern marble finishes that feel fresh and clean. The real upgrade here is the sea or partial sea view from your balcony, and little extras like bathrobes, slippers, and access to a pillow menu for fussy sleepers. The maximum occupancy is 2 adults plus 2 children, making these a popular choice for small families. If you want to wake up to direct ocean views every morning, the deluxe rooms are where things get interesting. At 45 square meters, these rooms feature either king or twin beds, a separate lounge area, and balconies that face straight out to the Red Sea. Some deluxe rooms even offer swim-up access, meaning you can literally step from your patio into a pool, which is pretty cool if you ask me. The rooms sleep up to 3 adults, and user photos consistently highlight the incredible sunset views you get from these balconies. Then there are the junior suites, which jump to 60 square meters with a separate living room, king bed, and panoramic sea views that stretch for miles. These come with upgraded minibar selections and even DVD players if you are feeling nostalgic. The real showstopper in select junior suites is the private jacuzzi on the balcony, perfect for evening relaxation with a view. Finally, the family suites are the big guns at 80 square meters, featuring 2 separate bedrooms, a living area, and 2 balconies. These can accommodate up to 4 adults plus 2 children, with bunk beds for the kids and even a PlayStation available on request. The suites are kid-proofed with colorful bedding and thoughtful touches that make traveling with little ones much easier. All rooms come with phones, irons, and ironing boards, and the renovated units really do show the investment Sierra Sharm has made in keeping the property current. Prices fluctuate quite a bit depending on season, with low season from November to March running around $150 to $250 per night, while high season from June to August can push $300 to $500. These are all-inclusive rates for double occupancy, so factor in that you are getting all your meals, drinks, and most activities included in that price. While the official website does not have full 360-degree tours, Booking.com offers some virtual room tours that give you a better sense of the space before you book. When it comes to keeping your stomach happy, Sierra Sharm El Sheikh does not mess around with 6 different dining venues, all included in your all-inclusive package. The main hub is Palm Beach Main Restaurant, a massive buffet operation that seats around 500 people and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 10 at night. The spread here is genuinely impressive, with seafood grills, Egyptian meze that lets you taste authentic local flavors, extensive salad bars, and a dessert section that could be dangerous for your waistline. The restaurant runs themed nights throughout the week, with Italian cuisine taking center stage on Wednesdays and a big barbecue blowout every Friday. User photos show vibrant displays of fresh prawns, colorful salads, and the kind of variety that means even picky eaters will find something they love. Dress code is smart casual, and you do not need reservations, which makes it easy for families with unpredictable schedules. For something more intimate, Brise is the beachfront seafood and Mediterranean restaurant that operates for lunch and dinner from 12:30 until 11 at night. This place specializes in grilled fish, lobster when available, and pasta dishes that benefit from the sea breeze and ocean views. It seats about 150 people, and while you can walk in, reservations are definitely advised, especially during high season. The restaurant runs special seafood nights that are worth timing your visit around, and the official photos showing sunset glow over your meal are not exaggerated. If you are craving spice, Taj Mahal brings Indian and Asian fusion to the table with curries, tandoori specialties, and stir-fries that pack proper flavor. Open for dinner only from 7 to 10, this 100-seat restaurant requires reservations and occasionally features Bollywood nights that add entertainment to your meal. The aromas of tagines and fresh naan baskets create an atmosphere that TripAdvisor users frequently mention in their reviews. Italian food lovers should head to Il Forno, where wood-fired pizzas and fresh pasta take center stage. Open for lunch and dinner from noon until 11, this casual spot seats 120 and offers walk-in seating. The pizza-making demonstrations are a hit with kids, and user videos showing chefs tossing dough add to the fun atmosphere. For drinks and lighter bites, Captain's Bar serves as the main lounge with cocktails, tapas, and shisha available from 10 in the morning until 1 in the morning. The bar seats about 80 people in a dimly lit space with sea views, and live music plays nightly, creating a relaxed vibe. Photos show bartenders creating colorful drinks with impressive foam art that makes everything Instagram-worthy. Finally, the pool bar offers swim-up service from 9 in the morning until 6 in the evening, with mocktails and light bites available while you lounge in the water. The happy hour from 4 to 6 brings discounted drinks, and those underwater bar stools make for some fun photo opportunities. The bar allows swimwear, obviously, and the tropical punches are a guest favorite according to reviews. Overall, the dining variety means you could easily stay a week without getting bored, and the quality is consistently praised as excellent value for an all-inclusive resort. The pool and beach situation at Sierra Sharm El Sheikh is genuinely one of its strongest selling points, giving you multiple options depending on your mood and who you are traveling with. The resort features 4 distinct pools, starting with the main infinity pool that measures 500 square meters and ranges from 1.2 to 1.8 meters deep. This beauty has a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water, and the infinity edge creates those postcard-perfect photos where the pool seems to blend into the Red Sea beyond. The family pool is the second largest at 300 square meters and includes a dedicated kids section with water slides that keep younger guests entertained for hours. This pool also has its own swim-up bar and hosts pool volleyball games that can get surprisingly competitive. For adults seeking peace and quiet, there is a dedicated adults-only pool measuring 200 square meters where the atmosphere is noticeably calmer and you can actually hear yourself think. Finally, the kids' splash pool is designed specifically for the smallest guests, with shallow water and fun features that let toddlers play safely. All pools are heated during winter months, which extends the swimming season considerably, and they operate from 8 in the morning until sunset year-round. Free towels and suns are provided, and waiter service means you can order food and drinks poolside without interrupting your relaxation. The kids' animation team runs activities around the pools during the day, which parents seem to appreciate based on reviews. But the real star of the show is the private beach, a 300-meter stretch of sandy coastline with gradual entry into the Red Sea. The beach offers free kayaks and pedalos for guests who want to explore the bay, while the on-site PADI diving center provides paid snorkeling and diving excursions that let you experience the incredible underwater world the Red Sea is famous for. Fair warning though, coral-safe shoes are recommended because the reef can be sharp in places, which multiple reviews mention. The beach has its own bar serving drinks and snacks throughout the day, with waiter service extending to your sun so you never have to move unless you want to. Shaded cabanas are available on a first-come basis, providing relief from the midday sun. The beach access is what really sets Sierra Sharm apart from some competitors, as having that much private coastline in Naama Bay is increasingly rare. User photos consistently show clear turquoise water and plenty of space to spread out, even during busier periods. Whether you are a serious swimmer who wants to do laps, a family with kids who need different depth options, or someone who just wants to float with a cocktail, the pool and beach facilities here deliver exactly what a Red Sea resort should offer. Beyond swimming and eating, Sierra Sharm El Sheikh keeps you busy with a solid range of activities and wellness options that cater to different energy levels and interests. The fitness center is surprisingly well equipped with Technogym brand equipment, including treadmills, weights, bikes, and yoga mats for those who cannot skip their workout even on vacation. The gym operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, giving early birds and night owls equal opportunity to break a sweat. Daily classes include yoga and aqua aerobics, both of which are included in your all-inclusive package, while personal training sessions are available for around $50 if you want more focused attention. The gym also provides access to a jacuzzi, which is perfect for post-workout recovery. For water sports enthusiasts, the beach activities extend beyond the free kayaks and pedalos mentioned earlier. The PADI Diving Center offers everything from beginner courses to advanced dive trips exploring the famous Red Sea reefs that made Sharm El Sheikh a world-renowned diving destination. Snorkeling equipment is available and the staff can direct you to the best spots right off the beach where you might see colorful fish, rays, and if you are lucky, sea turtles. The resort also organizes excursions beyond the property, including trips to Ras Mohammed National Park, which sits about 15 kilometers away and offers some of the most spectacular diving and snorkeling in Egypt. These hotel-organized tours run around $40 per person and include transportation. For those interested in desert adventures, quad biking excursions into the Sinai can be arranged, giving you a completely different perspective on the Egyptian landscape. Evening entertainment follows a weekly schedule that keeps things fresh, with shows at 9 in the evening featuring fire dancers, acrobats, and other performers that bring energy to the night. The disco kicks off at 10 for those who want to dance, and Friday beach parties have become something of a tradition. The resort also acknowledges cultural events, hosting special Ramadan iftar meals during the holy month and putting on a New Year's Eve gala that guests rave about in reviews. Sports facilities include beach volleyball courts and occasional tournaments that foster friendly competition among guests. The variety of activities means you can be as active or as lazy as you want, which is really what vacation should be about. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.